In a remote and quiet village nestled between two towering mountains, there lived a humble candle maker named Eamon. Each day, Eamon labored in solitude, pouring his heart into crafting candles that illuminated the homes and hearts of the villagers. It was said that his candles could light the way through the darkest of nights. One fateful winter, a terrible blizzard descended upon the village, cutting it off from the rest of the world. The villagers huddled in their homes, fearing for their safety as food supplies dwindled and the biting cold penetrated even the thickest of walls. Darkness fell early, and hope seemed to dim alongside the last glimmers of daylight. Eamon, concerned for his fellow villagers, gathered all the candles he had and distributed them, saving only one for himself. Yet the storm showed no sign of abating, and soon even the light from Eamon's shop began to flicker uncertainly. Eventually, the village elders realized that if the storm continued, the village's only chance of survival would be to send a message through the mountain pass to a neighboring town. This treacherous journey, though dangerous, might bring salvation in the form of rescuers and supplies. A guide was needed, someone who could brave the frigid conditions and navigate through the blizzard. Without hesitation, Eamon stepped forward. The villagers protested, worried for his safety, but Eamon insisted. He understood that his candles had only bought them time, and the mission was critical. Before he left, he took his last candle, lighting it before starting his journey, its flame a beacon of hope and a promise to return. Hours passed, turning to days, as the villagers waited anxiously. Then, just as the last vestiges of hope began to extinguish with the final flickering flames in their homes, a miracle occurred. The sound of hooves crunching in the snow grew louder. Soon Eamon returned, atop a sled with rescuers in tow and supplies aplenty. Eamon's selfless act had not only lit their homes, but also rekindled their spirits. The tale of his sacrifice, of the one candle he kept, and the courageous journey would be told for generations. The villagers survived, united by the light of one candle and the bravery of one man. Eamon, the candle maker, forever became the beacon in their hearts.